My people, no be small matter o. You see Olori Mariam, Olori Temitope, Olori Tobi and the Ronke, they don cause the thing that made the king to arrest them o. Wetin we dey hear right now be say these three na they have been going everywhere, calling Queen Naomi all sort of name, embarrassing Queen Naomi everywhere. I don't even know what is their problem, my people. So in short, since these people started causing Queen Naomi pain, they have not rested. Then in short, they don't even want to rest. I don't know what be their problem or seriously because me, I tire I tire. Now what we dey hear be say Kabiyesi could not hold it again because it had been long. Kabiyesi have been warning them, telling them that they should leave Queen Naomi alone, but they wouldn't let her be. They wouldn't allow Queen Naomi to drink water and drop cup. So now the king could not hold it again. Many of them have been warning them. In short, the king is because of Queen Naomi's return that made Ooni to continue to accept them as his wife because he had decided that he's not going to marry any of these two again. I don't even know that anyway. Toby have issue on her own. She have serious issue and she have decided to join them because they think that united they stand, they can defeat Queen Naomi. But they don't know that united they stand, Queen Naomi will be defeating them more and more and more because the king loves Queen Naomi, not them. And again, Toby's own self, now her own just they give me small headache. Why will she come to fight Queen Naomi for what? You have a child, you cannot even prove the paternity and the maternity of your children. You're imposing it on the king that is the king that have those children. No, any of you have told you to do DNA test, you refuse to do DNA test. Everything about Toby is just being somehow to me because I don't understand. If all of these things we are hearing is the truth, I don't know why she will be behaving the way she's behaving. Seriously, my people, the thing just dey tire me. Okay, now what we heard was that they are going around everywhere explaining to people that want to listen to them that Queen Naomi is a husband snatcher, that Queen Naomi snatched their husband from them. Look at them calling Queen Naomi the husband snatcher. I don't know which of them and Queen Naomi who is husband snatcher. They know that this Queen Naomi they are talking about have been married to the king, and they still come to the palace to take Queen Naomi's husband. The same Queen Naomi left them and leave the palace. Still, they wouldn't let her be. Even in that akuru that she is, they still go there to disturb her. Okay, now, because of the king is now mean that if it's not Queen Naomi, nothing else again. The king now said that without Queen Naomi coming back, instead of Queen Naomi not to come back to the palace, I'm going to leave the palace and go to Lekki to stay there with Queen Naomi. In short, that time we heard that they buried the cow something in the palace. That cow, wetin they call themselves, the head of a cow in the palace. All of this is just to make sure that Queen Naomi did not come back. Now, what we heard was that the king said that even if they like, they should go and bury the head of monkey. When they go and bury the head of monkey in that palace, that if that's Yeyoluwa's quarter is scary for Queen Naomi to stay, that Queen Naomi is going to come back to his own chamber, the king's lodge, like the king's what did they call it, chamber, that Queen Naomi will live with the king in the same room. When the king wake up in the morning, he will see Queen Naomi. Before he will go to bed, he will see Queen Naomi. He will sleep with Queen Naomi in the same bed. My people, now this one wey he come talk say he's going to be with Queen Naomi, and he not tends to avoid, because as a king there are certain things he's not supposed to see, like as we heard allegedly that it seems like they don't see I don't know whether is it applicable to Yoruba, they don't see woman menstruation. If Queen Naomi start menstruation, Queen Naomi can go to Akure. After that, she can come back, or the king will just avoid Queen Naomi. I know that it's not just one room for the king. The king have enough room there. So right now, what we are hearing allegedly, don't forget that they are alleged information, because I know they do. Now here I hear. So what we are hearing right now is that Kabiyesi, as we heard, arrested Olori Mariam for conniving with Ronke and the Toby and the calling Queen Naomi husband snatcher, calling Queen Naomi all sort of name, as in carrying Queen Naomi's name to go everywhere around the Ile-Ife, Akure, Lagos. My people, Okay, for that their Olori quarter, na Kunomi be the topic wey dem discuss for that place now. If dem no discuss Kunomi, nothing more. Na only Kunomi be the topic for discussion. Because of what? Kunomi want to come back to her husband. Her husband. No be say na another person husband, na her own. Oh. So it seems like the king could no longer hold it. Winifred was like, "You people are beating more than you can chew. I need to teach you a lesson. I need to teach you a lesson." As we heard, there was a time we also heard that Ooni of Ife's sister got, okay, it was Mariam that got Ooni of Ife's sister arrested. This one na Ooni of Ife arresting Mariam. As we heard though, I don't know whether it is true. So, but I don't know. I know that the king doesn't have that kind of mind to get any of his wife arrested. But if it is true that he did it, that means the thing don't pass as he we feel control. Abi as he go feel control, because there's a time how there's somehow somebody will endure something, endure it. If you cannot endure it again, anything that comes, you accept it. So the king has accepted that if you want to treat the fuck up of these Oloris, he have to start by teaching them a lesson that they will never forget in life. I think that is what the king is doing right now by arresting her, if it is true. Oh. Anyway, my people, I just heard this one. I feel like let me just share with you. I don't know how true it is. Now here I hear them, and I just say let me just come and chip in into you and tell you. Don't forget that they are all rumored information. It's not first hand. Make person not tell me say they lie. Now alleged information. Love you guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you. And don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.